that we sorted and indexed the BAM file, we are ready to call variants. For that, we use BCFtools. But first, let's create a new folder. So we are in NGS course, and we created with mkdir 04, and we create a folder called 04 underscore variant call. We change directory for that folder. Okay, and we can do the variant call with a single command. So BCFtools mpileup. So mpileup generates a file in a format that lists all base mapped to a single position in the genome. And with the option bigger O, little u. So this option produces a BCF file, which is useful for piping the data to the next command. And we input the reference FASTA. So the reference FASTA is one directory up in the folder 03 alignment, in the reference genome folder, and the file is nc dot something something dot fast, and we call the BAM file, which is one directory up, also in the 03 folder, and the BAM file is called srr something something dot BAM. We put the pipe, so the output from the previous command is the input for the next one, and we put BCFtools call. So this command performs variant calling based on the mpileup data, identifying positions in the genome where variants like SNPs and indels are present. And the options M, so these options is for multiallelic variant, meaning it calls sites with more than 2 alleles, and V, this filters out sites that have no variants. And the option bigger O, little v. And this option specifies that the output should be in VCF, so variant call format, so in plain text. Pipe. Now, BCFtools norm dash m dash any. So this option splits multi-allelic variants into multiple biallelic variants. It ensures that each line of the VCF represents a single variant allele, which is helpful for downstream analysis. Pipe BCFtools, and this is the final command, BCFtools filter dash e qual (20) space pipe space D P less than 10, and this is a exclusion filter, so it filters out variants that have a quality score, so qual, less than 20, or a depth of coverage less than 10. And the output will be SRR 146.32.923.VCF. We press enter and we run it and we wait. At the end, we'll have a clean VCF file with high confidence SNPs and indels.